How to turn on or turn off system haptics or vibrations on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we're going to scroll down, then tap on System Haptics. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And when this is turned on, then when you tap on a certain settings on your iPhone, you will feel the phone will gently vibrate. So this one will give you a feedback that you actually have performance action on the iPhone, such as changing the state of a feature, open up a list, or pressing on certain things, such as long press on an app. So when you long press on an app, it will trigger a pop-up menu and your phone will gently vibrate to give you a feedback. And that is how you can turn on or turn off system haptics on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.